and I set up shop in a Jamaica where we neglect, but we don't want to see. That tell me something is clearly wrong with Jamaican and how we think. So, when me see that now, me I say it's a wake up call, yo. And again, if you's a good mechanic, if you's a good barber like myself, if you's a good electrician, if you's a good plumber, if you's a good mason, whatever trade, whatever 9 to 5, you have a skill in it. And you know, say you're competent, you're reliable, you're honest, and you're fair. And you deal with Jamaicans fair and square. You don't have nothing to worry about. Because me as a barber, me work with all kind of barber. And an idea, me never feel intimidated by no barber. That no mean say another barber no better than me or me no better than another barber. That is not the case. The case is when you comfortable and you confident in yourself and how you do your work, you don't feel intimidated by nobody beside you. Because you know what you bring to your customers and your clientele. Because me can tell you this, a lot of customers don't like to switch barbers. Them don't like to switch mechanics. Them don't like to switch them electrician. Them like to keep it at that person, loyal and consistency. But when you have an outsider we come in and put up a business like the Chinese, them put up a mechanic shop, and then now some Jamaicans over there, so where we are mechanic, them rip off people, them no fear, them no honest. People will say, okay, me I go try this new shop.
You see, everybody are talk about the blouse and skirt Chinese mechanic shop open up a ferry at town, but only did know say one open up a sentence be to right pan the blouse and skirt main road. See it there? Right pan the